Hello, I'm Fiona and this is Plantily, where we make delicious plant-based recipes. Today we're making tzatziki. If you've never heard of tzatziki before, it is a Mediterranean dip that's usually made from yogurt, cucumber, and dill. Of course, we're going to be making it dairy-free by using a cream made from cashews and silken tofu. Let me know in the comments if you are a tzatziki fan, and let's get into the recipe. First, we're going to start by grating 1.5 cups of cucumber, and then we're going to add some salt to that to draw out any excess moisture. This is an important step because otherwise your sauce is going to be really runny if you don't. Just mix a pinch of salt into your cucumber and stir it all up and set it aside while you make the rest of the recipe. Now in a blender, you're going to add 1/2 cup of cashews. If you don't have a super powerful blender, then I would recommend soaking your cashews first. Add into that 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/2 cup of silken tofu. That's the really soft tofu, as you can see. Finally, add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and blend that up together until it is super smooth and creamy. We've got our strained cucumber. Usually I just squeeze out the liquid with my hand. Quite a bit of liquid comes out, but you can also use a sieve or even a nut milk bag. Now we're going to add in that creamy sauce we just made, and 1/4 cup of fresh chopped dill. Now all that's left is to mix it all together. I would really recommend making this recipe the night before or the morning before you're going to serve it because it really helps the flavors develop, but if you can't, that's fine too, it'll still be delicious. This makes a great appetizer. I like to serve it with pita bread and veggie sticks. It's super delicious and actually pretty nutritious. I am a dip fan, and tzatziki is one of my favorites. It's so fresh and tangy. If you haven't had it, you need to try it. If you want to make this recipe, a full written description will be linked in the description box. If you do make it, please tag me on social media. I'd love to see, and that is linked below as well. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a like, and if you want to see more videos, feel free to hit that subscribe button to stick around. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.